Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the Lightroom tutorials and then how to turn in that you did it on Canvas. So you're going to be able to do this either in Lightroom, the desktop app, or on your phone if you have the Lightroom app on your phone. You can't, unfortunately, you can't do this in the web-based version of Lightroom. So if you have it on your phone, you'll just click on the home button, and if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see some tutorials, and you can just click on it and then click on Start Tutorial. Or, of course, if you have the desktop app, you can always click on Home, and then click on Learn over here, and then you can go and pick a tutorial you want to do. I'm not going to pick one for you. I want you to pick one out that you think that you might like for your 5 photos that you're going to be turning in. So maybe go to Stylize and pick one that you like here, and then just go through the tutorial, and we'll talk about what to do once you're done. Okay, I'm done, and you guys should know that when you're done, this thing pops up here. Don't click on anything here. In fact, leave that just like that. And then I want you to go down to your Start menu if you're on a Windows computer, and just start typing in the word snip, and we're going to use the snipping tool, and we're going to click on New, and then I'm just going to click and drag over this to show that I did it. And at that point, the snipping tool is still there. It just disappeared back behind, so I'm going to click on that, and here's my snip that I created right here. And so I'm just going to save this. And pay attention to where you're saving it. As always, we always want to know where we're saving things. I'm just going to save it here on my desktop, and it doesn't really matter what you call it. Finished Lightroom. You call it whatever you want, though. And it does not, just leave it as this file type as well. I'm going to hit save. Now, if you do this on your phone, obviously when you're all done, you'll take a screenshot of it on your phone and save that on your phone. And if you're doing this on your phone, hopefully you also have the Canvas app, because you could then turn it in on your phone using the Canvas app. Speaking of how to turn it in, let's come back here and go back to Canvas. Here is the assignment, the Lightroom entry task. This video that I am recording right now is going to end up being right here. That would be kind of weird, but I'm going to go ahead and just click on Submit Assignment, and you'll see to submit this assignment, you're going to upload a file. I don't think we've ever done this before in Canvas. So let's click on Choose File, and I'm going to remember that I saved that on my desktop, and I called it Finished Lightroom, so there it is. So I'll just double click on that, and I'm going to leave a comment if I need to, and then just hit Submit Assignment, and once it's done uploading, it will be submitted. And there you go, finished uploading, submitted on April 2nd at 10:14 p.m. We are done. Thanks.